So once you have all the holes drilled, take the dowels and the clear tubing that you took before, that you cut before. Put one piece of tubing on the end of each dowel. And then we're going to start to assemble this. Okay, so you're going to need the first one you're going to take is a long 2-inch dowel. I'm going to put it through one part. This is going to go through the center piece of the arm, maybe. Okay. This one will go over the top of that, and then you'll cap it. Okay, that's step one. Now these two, one is going to go on the top of one side and one's going to go on the bottom of the other. It doesn't matter which way you do it, just so long as they're opposite, okay? Now you'll need a shorter one. So we'll put this one through here. And then this one we'll do the opposite way. Okay. And then this is where that spacer will come into play. All right, this one will go to the right. This is going to go through everything. Okay. And then this will go the opposite way. And by setting it up like this, now when you move that middle piece, it's going to open and close the claw.